Hey, what's going on, guys? If you're looking for a portable monitor at a decent price, this Inknock's been a solid option. I use it as a second monitor working from home. My son likes to use it to do 3D modeling and SolidWorks in Blender. It only weighs about 1.5 pounds, so it's really lightweight and easy to just tuck away and put into your backpack or laptop bag if you want to go travel. And then it only takes a couple minutes when you're ready to set it back up. Just attach it to the stand with 2 screws and then connect your display cables, and that's it, you're ready to go. I love how the stand pivots and rotates. It makes it really comfortable when you have long sessions or if you just need to rotate it and share your screen with somebody else. So the screen itself is 15.6 inches, so it looks crisp with nice wide viewing angles. So it's large enough and clear enough for me when I need to work on updating spreadsheets, and neither of us have noticed any lagging while doing our work. When you open up the box, the first thing you'll see is a felt travel pouch, followed by a warranty card and a how-to card, which is your setup card. And then you'll see the actual monitor itself, followed by the stand with the mounting holes, a hardware packet, and a couple of cables that you can use to connect the monitor to your laptop. Another cool feature that I did forget to mention too is that it has these ports on the back, so you can power it directly from your Mac or laptop using USB-C to USB-C, but you also have the option to do HDMI, but then you have to connect a separate power cord. But the whole thing packs up light, which makes it really easy when you need to travel or move between work locations. So yeah, overall guys, I'd say it's not the most premium monitor out there, but for the price, it's definitely the best that I've seen. It's portable, lightweight, has a really clear image, and super budget friendly. So definitely a solid buy to me.